Let's get you breaking updates now coming in. A big update. The victim's relative now saying that they are ready to withdraw the case, saying that Allu Arjun is not at fault. Remember, the case had been filed after the family of the victim had filed a case in the incident, after which an FIR had been registered at the police station. But now the victim's family members saying that it is not Allu Arjun's fault. So the family members are saying that there is a possibility that they could withdraw the case as well. This comes at a time when there are several questions being raised on whether Allu Arjun has been made a target, whether it is the Telangana police that is responsible for the unfortunate incident. Remember, a lot of politics also playing out over the same, with the BRS alleging that the Telangana police was well aware of the fact that Allu Arjun would be visiting the theatre, and the theatre authorities had also asked for bandobast at the theatre when Allu Arjun was to arrive for the premiere of the movie, saying that it is the police officials who did not provide security. But now the relatives saying that they could withdraw the case. Listen in.
నా కొడుకు మూవీ చూస్తా అంటే ఆ రోజు సంధ్యా థియేటర్లో మూవీకి తీసుకెళ్ళాను. మూవీ చూస్తా అంటే తీసుకెళ్ళాను. అక్కడ అల్లు అర్జున్ వచ్చినందుకు ఆయన తప్పేం లేదు. మేమేమైనా ఉంటే దానికి కేసు విత్డ్రా చేసుకోవడానికి రెడీ.
After he said that he'll watch movie, then I've taken him.
చేయలేదు, అరెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నట్టు.
There was no mistake of Allu Arjun in this.
హాస్పిటల్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు మొబైల్ చూసినా.
I'm ready to withdraw the case against him. Even police didn't inform us about his arrest.
ఏమైనా ఉంటే నేను కేసు
I saw in the news.
నా కొడుకు మూవీ చూస్తా అంటే ఆ రోజు సంధ్యా థియేటర్.
So this is the version of the relatives who say that they could withdraw the case as well. My colleague Shomit is joining us live on the broadcast with the details. Shomit, what's the latest? Because Telangana police also asked for custody of Allu Arjun. The matter is currently in the court. What's the update?
Well, right now we can clearly see here at the Nampally court, the hearing is going on the other side. In the High Court, the hearing has begun, and basically in the High Court, it was stated that the counsel and the prosecution, the hearing is going on. So basically, the prosecution has stated that the remand process has begun. He has been arrested, at the police, and he has been brought to the Nampally court here. And we can clearly see here he is inside in the Nampally court, and on the other side, the prosecution has the prosecution has stated that this petition can be heard on Monday. So the counsel is saying that he's not yet remanded, sent to the jail. So he should be given immediately bail, because he doesn't know whether it happened or not, and he's not responsible in this incident, is what it was stated. However, later HC has questioned to the prosecution, to the police side, that whether police has given any information to the Sandhya Theatre or to any other theatre that actors shouldn't be called or actors shouldn't be invited. So for this, the prosecution didn't answer the High Court. They didn't have the proper answer for this question, and High Court has also questioned that if the police has informed this matter to the any theatre, then where is that notice copy, is what High Court has questioned. So we'll have to wait and see how things will turn up. But yes, as of now, the hearing in the High Court is going on between the prosecution and the counsel, and the counsel is also requesting for an quash. At the same time, they also stated that if the lower court remands him, then High Court can give interim bail. So whether High Court will give interim bail, whether relaxation will be given or not,
so what is it that the High Court decides will be interesting to see, because Allu Arjun had approached the High Court seeking the quashing of the FIR. Shomit will continue coming back to you for those updates. Quick break now. We'll be right back.